Cornerstone Lighting and Electric, and today it's time for your life-saving tip. Okay, so what I want to show here is how to crimp on these ferrules. So that way when you plug this back in, it's not, see, this is actually very straight, but when you twist down the lug, it will fray inside there. And any type of fraying will cause arc, heat, loose connections, all the aboves. But if you crimp these on, it doesn't. And so I'm gonna do this. I hate trying to record myself, because this is not always the easiest, but whatever, let's just stop whining. Grab these, squeeze, it crimps, put it right on there, let's see. Looks like it's sitting in there. Yep, I can see the wire all the way to the top. Squeeze all the way, open. Give it a little, 2 hands is better than 1, but push and pull, make sure it's on there good and tight, and that's it.